Peltier Ford has built this custom elite F250 and this matching F350, both King Ranch and both custom paint matched. This custom F250 is equipped with 20-inch Fuel Rebel wheels wrapped in 37-inch nitto ridge grapplers. And she's riding on a 2.5-inch coil spring leveling kit with Fox 2.0 shocks. This Super Duty is custom paint matched in King Ranch tan on the grille, Ford emblem, side emblems, and down the side. And with 1,200 pound-feet of torque, you'll have plenty of get up and go. Around back, we have even more paint-matched King Ranch details, and we installed this rugged spray and bed liner. And of course, we installed ceramic window tint to keep you cool, even when it's triple digits outside. Step inside with these electronic side steps, and you'll fall in love with this beautiful, genuine leather interior. Featuring B&O premium audio, digital dash, heated steering wheel, power outlets, 3-person memory seats, all the 4-wheel drive and trailer goodies, and these heated, ventilated, and massaging seats. At Peltier Ford, we don't just stock these pre-built custom trucks. We can also build you one just the way you like. So come see us at Peltier Ford in Longview, Texas.